Starting from Lianchang in 2007, Fujian Supertech always aims to build a better world with its innovative and advanced energy consumption management technology. Fujian Supertech was granted as the Little Giants Enterprise, one of the nation's specialized and sophisticated enterprises that produce new and unique products, as well as the key high-tech enterprise of the National Torch Program. In 2020, Fujian Supertech was listed on the Science and Technology Innovation Board of the Shanghai Stock Exchange. Fujian Supertech has developed the epic-making products, vacuum installation panels. The products feature the advantages of thin thickness, small size, lightweight, etc., with extremely low thermal conductivity. Its thermal resistance effect is 8 to 10 times better than traditional materials. The products were honored the AWE Best Component Award and the first prize for progress in Chinese household appliance science and technology. It was listed in National Key New Product Projects by the Ministry of Science and Technology. Fujian Supertech is a well-known supplier worldwide in the field of insulation materials for household appliances such as refrigerators and freezers. The company has long collaborated with the world's leading refrigerator manufacturers, effectively promoting the industrial application of new environmental-friendly vacuum installation panels. In 2021, Fujian Supertech has established Anhui Supertech in Hefei, the capital of household appliances in China, to enhance the supporting service capabilities. Fujian Supertech has independently developed a series of advanced production equipment and testing instruments, and owning the completely independent intellectual property portfolio and patent authorizations. The company has built an entire vacuum installation industrial chain, have been improving the level of automation, and promoting the green and low-carbon development of the whole society. The subsidiary, Supertech Cold Chain, has been applying a number of technologies to cold chain industry, such as freezers, fresh food storages, refrigerated trucks, refrigerated containers, and pharmaceuticals, to provide efficient installation solutions for the industries. VIG Xiaomen Technology has developed a new type of fully tempered vacuum insulated glass. The self-developed lead-free welding material, which enables to produce truly non-porous, fully tempered vacuum insulated glass, and realizes intelligent, continuous production, resulting in top ranking among the world. The subsidiary, Supertech Film, has developed excellent products such as high-resistance aluminum plastic composite films, aluminum-free composite films, and SN series nanofilms. The company has introduced more than 10 advanced production lines from both domestic and overseas suppliers, and acquired the International Advanced Management Standard certifications. The company has become a leading supplier with the mission to customize efficient high-barrier film packaging solutions for customers. The subsidiary Supertech Building Materials is committed to creating lightweight, highly efficient heat insulation, thin thickness, Grade A fireproof integrated vacuum insulation and decoration panels for buildings, taking into account both aesthetics and function. The integrated vacuum insulation and decoration panels can improve the energy efficiency level of buildings, reduce the space occupied by walls, and help to achieve the goal of carbon peak and carbon neutrality. People-oriented, technology as the root, innovation as the soul. Fujian Supertech opens its eyes to the world. The company fulfills its social responsibilities with sincerity, promotes scientific and technological innovation with a global perspective, takes green environmental protection as its mission, continuously explores and makes breakthroughs in the field of vacuum insulation, and braves the wind and waves for a better future.